Прибытие и транспорт.
Could you call a taxi for me, please?
Не могли бы вы вызвать мне такси, пожалуйста?
Could you call a taxi for me, please?
Could you call a taxi for me, please?
How much is a ticket to the city center?
Сколько стоит билет до центра города?
How much is a ticket to the city center?
How much is a ticket to the city center?
Which platform for the train to London? Which platform for the train to London?
С какой платформы отправляется поезд на Лондон?
Which platform for the train to London?
Which platform for the train to London?
Does this bus go to the museum?
Этот автобус идет к музею.
Does this bus go to the museum?
Does this bus go to the museum?
I need to get off at the next stop. I need to get off at the next stop.
Мне нужно выйти на следующей остановке.
I need to get off at the next stop.
I need to get off at the next stop.
I would like to go to this address.
Я бы хотел поехать по этому адресу.
I would like to go to this address.
I would like to go to this address.
Where is the nearest subway station?
Где находится ближайшая станция метро?
Where is the nearest subway station?
Where is the nearest subway station?
One adult ticket, please.
Один взрослый билет, пожалуйста.
One adult ticket, please.
One adult ticket, please.
Can you tell me where to get the bus? Can you tell me where to get the bus?
Можете сказать, где сесть на автобус?
Can you tell me where to get the bus?
Can you tell me where to get the bus?
Заселение в отель.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Здравствуйте, у меня бронирование.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Hello, I have a reservation.
My last name is Smith. My last name is Smith.
Моя фамилия Смит.
My last name is Smith.
My last name is Smith.
Can I have the key to room 205?
Можно мне ключ от номера 205?
Can I have the key to room 205?
Can I have the key to room 205?
What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast?
В какое время завтрак?
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Какой пароль от Wi-Fi?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
My room is on the 3rd floor.
Мой номер на 3-м этаже.
My room is on the 3rd floor.
My room is on the 3rd floor.
Can I have an extra towel, please? Can I have an extra towel, please?
Можно мне дополнительное полотенце, пожалуйста?
Can I have an extra towel, please?
Can I have an extra towel, please?
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Время выезда 11 утра.
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Можете порекомендовать хороший ресторан поблизости?
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby.
В кафе.
A table for two, please.
Столик на двоих, пожалуйста.
The table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Could I see the menu, please?
Можно мне посмотреть меню, пожалуйста?
Could I see the menu, please?
Could I see the menu, please?
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Вы готовы заказать?
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
I'd like a coffee and a croissant.
Я бы хотел кофе и круассан.
I'd like a coffee and a croissant.
I'd like a coffee and a croissant.
Can I have the bill, please?
Можно мне счет, пожалуйста?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Everything was delicious, thank you. Everything was delicious, thank you.
Все было очень вкусно, спасибо.
Everything was delicious. Thank you.
Everything was delicious, thank you.
I'll have the same.
Мне то же самое.
I'll have the same.
I'll have the same.
Is service included?
Обслуживание включено?
Is service included?
Is service included?
Just water for me, please.
Мне просто воды, пожалуйста.
Just water for me, please.
Just water for me, please.
I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to nuts.
У меня аллергия на орехи.
I am allergic to nuts.
I am allergic to nuts.
Ориентация в городе.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Простите, как мне добраться до вокзала?
Excuse me. How do I get to the train station?
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Идите прямо, затем поверните налево.
Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Это далеко отсюда?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
The museum is on the right.
Музей находится справа.
The museum is on the right.
The museum is on the right.
I think I'm lost. I think I'm lost.
Кажется, я потерялся.
I think I'm lost.
I think I'm lost.
Can you show me on the map?
Можете показать мне на карте?
Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
It's opposite the bank.
Это напротив банка.
It's opposite the bank.
It's opposite the bank.
Thank you for your help.
Спасибо за вашу помощь.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Аптека.
Pharmacy.
Аптека.
Pharmacy.
Больница.
Hospital.
Больница.
Hospital.
Супермаркет.
Supermarket.
Супермаркет.
Supermarket.
Почта.
Post office.
Почта.
Post office. It's a 5-minute walk from here.
Это в 5 минутах ходьбы отсюда.
It's a 5-minute walk from here.
It's a 5-minute walk from here.
Could you speak up a bit, please?
Не могли бы вы говорить погромче, пожалуйста?
Could you speak up a bit, please?
Could you speak up a bit, please?
Экстренные ситуации.
Help. I need a doctor.
Помогите. Мне нужен врач.
Help. I need a doctor.
Help. I need a doctor.
I have lost my passport.
Я потерял свой паспорт.
I have lost my passport.
I have lost my passport.
Where is the police station? Where is the police station?
Где находится полицейский участок?
Where is the police station?
Where is the police station?
Can I use your phone?
Можно воспользоваться вашим телефоном.
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Я не понимаю.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Please speak more slowly.
Пожалуйста, говорите медленнее.
Please speak more slowly.
Please speak more slowly.
Is there a hospital nearby?
Здесь есть больница поблизости.
Is there a hospital nearby?
Is there a hospital nearby?
I need an ambulance.
Мне нужна скорая помощь.
I need an ambulance.
I need an ambulance.
I feel sick.
Я чувствую себя плохо.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
Покупки и сувениры.
How much is this?
Сколько это стоит?
How much is this?
How much is this?
I'm just looking, thanks.
Я просто смотрю, спасибо.
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size?
У вас есть это другого размера.
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card?
Могу я заплатить кредитной картой?
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
I'll take it.
Я возьму это.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Where is the fitting room?
Где находится примерочная?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
It's too expensive.
Это слишком дорого.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
Could I have a bag, please? Could I have a bag, please?
Можно мне пакет, пожалуйста?
Could I have a bag, please?
Could I have a bag, please?
Do you sell souvenirs?
Вы продаете сувениры.
Do you sell souvenirs?
Do you sell souvenirs?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Можно мне чек, пожалуйста?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I try this on?
Можно это примерить?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color?
У вас есть это в другом цвете?
Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Прощание и отъезд.
I'd like to check out.
Я бы хотел выехать из отеля.
I'd like to check out.
I'd like to check out.
I enjoyed my stay.
Мне понравилось мое пребывание.
I enjoyed my stay.
I enjoyed my stay.
Could you call a taxi to the airport? Could you call a taxi to the airport?
Не могли бы вы вызвать такси до аэропорта?
Could you call a taxi to the airport?
Could you call a taxi to the airport?
What time is my flight?
Во сколько мой рейс?
What time is my flight?
What time is my flight?
I have to leave now.
Мне нужно сейчас уходить.
I have to leave now.
I have to leave now.
Thank you for everything.
Спасибо за все.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
До свидания и хорошего дня.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
Where is the gate for flight UA45?
Где выход на посадку на рейс UA45?
Where is the gate for flight UA45?
Where is the gate for flight UA45?